Can you name these amazing things from nature? They're rare, fun, and tricky. Let's find out how smart you are.
First one. Which flower can change its color during the day? Confederate rose. Which place is known as the driest place on Earth? Atacama Desert. What phenomenon makes the sky look red during sunset? Rayleigh. Scattering. Which tree produces the most oxygen on Earth? Answer: pothos. Which country is home to the world's largest salt flat? Answer: Bolivia. Which mountain range is still growing? Answer: Himalayan. Which part of the plant helps in gas exchange? Answer: stomata. Which country is the largest producer of cocoa in the world? Command answer.